Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to make some pork meat and some potato wedges. I hope you get to enjoy this video. Give it a like and learn something new. Welcome and feel much appreciated. So over here I have my potatoes already peeled them, so I'm going to cut them into the desired shape that I wish. And guys, if you like to try this simple and direct to the point recipe, you can feel free to do that and kindly share with me the feedback. I really get motivated when you get me those nice comments. Potato chips are very easy to make, especially if you're tired, you don't want to get something very complicated. This one is simple and direct to the point. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to clean them until the water is clean. This one, I'm cleaning it in order to remove the starch. Some people don't like cleaning the potatoes, but as for me, I prefer cleaning them. I'm done with the cleaning. I'm going to put in some vegetable oil. And another thing, when you are going to fry them, you can dry your potatoes with a paper towel, kitchen paper towel, so that you don't get burnt with the oil while frying. This one is very simple snack and food. To the returning subscribers, thank you so much. I really appreciate your support, for always coming back to support me and spending your time to watch my videos and sharing them. Thank you. And to the new subscribers, feel most welcome. It's a huge family and we are growing every single time. Feel much appreciated and at home as we make this simple and direct to the point recipe. There are no complications, it is not exaggerated, it's so easy to follow and to make. And the most amazing thing about these recipes that I make in my videos is that you get to learn something new. They are almost ready, as you can see, guys. I don't need them to be too much crunchy at the middle there, so I'll go ahead and cook them for about a minute. Guys, after a minute, they are ready, perfect the way I want them. So I'm going to remove it. You can kindly share me out and you can join my membership as well. It is so accommodative and affordable. It does not discriminate. In this channel, I try to cook authentic food as much as possible and to get you the best recipe that I can grasp. So I'm really encouraged by you guys. I'm going to remove this one and fry my meat. It is pre-boiled, so I'll go right ahead and add them in. There we go. Guys, this was really delicious. You should try this. You'll be surprised. I did season my meat and I boiled them with a little bit of salt, so they are very tender. So I'm going to fry this for about 6 minutes, and then it'll be good to go, ready to serve. This is a very interesting meal and very delicious. So guys, after 5 minutes, you can see they are ready. I'm going to serve. Here we are. Look at that, guys. I did make some sauce. It's a combination of dark soya sauce, tomato paste, mayonnaise, and some olive oil. I did combine it, and I made some beautiful sauce. Look at that. It was so delicious, guys. You should try this for yourself. I bet you'll love it. Look at that, so appetizing. I really enjoyed this food. Thank you so much for watching and for always coming back to watch my videos and supporting your girl. I really appreciate it. I don't take it for granted. Thank you. This is my sauce. I did use it with some ketchup. Yeah, guys, if you have watched up to that particular point, you're an awesome person and my greatest support system. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye bye, and kindly don't forget to share me out. See you.